They're playing now.
Yeah, no, they're all there.
Where do you want to spin? Where are you going? What's the mic about? Right.
Do you mind keeping tabs on this a wee bit? Right, sorry, Mike.
I reckon our girls will be alright.
Come on, Ted, bro. Come on, Ted. You're going to hurt Ted now. You're going to hurt Ted.
Go done.
Dan, down. Come on, guys, down, but. Kick back. Ines. Bill, it's a Bill.
What's out?
Down.
Yes, Al.
Ken. Up the mass.
Yeah, Roy. Arnold. Go on, Dan. Yes, Dan.
First conversion?
Not doing that, Tal.
Come on, boys.
Down. Dan. Ines. Moss. Kenny Beans. Dalalan. Down, Kai. Finish it.
Head on, boys, come on. Boys, quite a bit in it. Yeah.
Right, down, boys, and Lucas. To Sharad.
Yes, Reed!
Go on, Dan!
Go, hands, Kai!
I talk!
See, and Rocket!
Oh,
Hands of an Roy.
So.
Kai. Stay on, boys.
I know them in school.
Make it come, set. Come down, set.
nesau am 1 o'r gloch, so the next games for 1 o'clock will be the girls' games. Ar Caerdydd 2, pitch number 2, Coleg Caerdydd ar Fro, yn erbyn Coleg Gwent Cross Keys. Caerdydd 3, pitch number 3, Coleg Sir Brenfro yn erbyn Ysgol Cwmrynni. Caerdydd 10, pitch 10, Glantaf yn erbyn Ysgol Cwmrynni. A Cae 11, pitch 11, Coleg Penabont yn erbyn Maes y Gwendraeth. So Bridgend College yn erbyn Maes y Gwendraeth. Mae gêm Cae 1 wedi symud i Caerdydd 3, felly Coleg Sir Benfro a Ysgol Cwmrynni. Cae ar gêm yna nawr ar Caerdydd 3. So, Coleg Sir Benfro and Ysgol Cwmrynni, your game has been moved to pitch 3.
Anyone of it?
Come on, Griff.
Kill Griff.
Yes, Griff.
I'm Sir.
Yes, all out.
I'm Sir.
All out.
I'm Sir.
He's a pedo.
Last Griff.
Down, Griff.
No break, yeah. No break.
What game's he playing now?
Lad, Dinesh, boys.
Kai spray, Kai.
Terry, boys, Dinesh and Griffin, you've got more gweithio on y gleta.
Good. Good.
Sicrhau bod yn ymwybodol o'r newidiadau a bod yn nawr yn mynd i fod yn dyfaru ar hyn.
Just because the camera's
Go on in. Oh, kick, Reese.
Yes, Griff.
Yes, Griff. Tian, Roy, Tian! No. No. Nice, Dan.
Yes.
Boilo! Oh, got it back, right? Good move. Yeah, nice
Felly
ball.
ar cae rhif 2.
Yes, Morgan!
On pitch number 2, the 1 o'clock girls game gyda ni Coleg Caerdydd yn erbyn Coleg Gwent Cross Keys. Ar cae rhif 3, pitch number 3, Coleg Sir Benfro yn erbyn Ysgol Cwmrynni. Cae rhif 10, pitch number 10, Glan Tân yn erbyn Ysgol Gyfun y Gwyr. Cae 11, pitch 11, Pen y Bont yn erbyn Maes y Gwendraeth. Please hit the ffordd i'r caeag yn gyntaf y posib. Please make your way to the pitches as soon as possible.
So, bach o pull fan hyn, so just a couple mwy. Just a couple mwy yna.
Couple mwy, cyn I weld y wedyn tan. Tad y gêm a wedyn...
Ato then, Ato!
Da iawn, bro. Cadw mynd.
Ato, Griff, good stuff.
Smash, guy. Yeah, Kai. Nice, guy. Coleg Sir Benfro, mae'r gêm wedi symud I cae rhif 3, felly nwch chi wneud eich ffordd I fan'na os gwelwch yn dda. Sir Benfro College, if you could make your way over to pitch number 3, please, your game has moved.
Down, Rod. Open, boys.
Peidwch neidio, boys! Peidwch neidio!
Come on.
Boys, maen nhw 2 dyn I lawr, boys. Boys, maen nhw 2 dyn I lawr. Sefyll nhw.
So that would go. So we got nothing now, have we? Lads, we got a break.
Peidwch neidio, boys. Roger, turn round. Archie, turn around, please. Archie. Archie. Round. Smile, Jeff. Got three. Dallas, 7. Control. Control, Reese. Reese, something there. Guard it. Reese, Reese. Reese, Delmas, Reese. Delmas. Oh, forward. Captain Melanie here, eh?
Got a yellow one.
Who runs second?
So I'll go here because I'll be me next anyway. And then, there's 2 games left.